Here's how to change the output color settings using the Nvidia app. Open the Nvidia app and click System on the left sidebar. Select Displays at the top and scroll down to the Color section. Find Output Color Settings. You will see two options, Default and Nvidia. Default uses the standard color output configured by your monitor and Windows. Nvidia applies Nvidia's own color processing, which can change how colors are rendered on your display. Click the information icon next to each option to read a description of what it does and the typical usage scenarios. This is worth doing, since the best choice depends entirely on your specific monitor and use case. Professional monitors and content creation setups often benefit from staying on default for accurate color representation, while some gaming monitors may respond better to the Nvidia setting. If you're seeing washed-out colors or colors that seem overly saturated, this is one of the settings worth experimenting with. Switching between the two takes seconds, and you can always revert. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.